Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you a super cool trick to open Outlook.com instantly using just a keyboard shortcut. No more searching or typing anytime. Just press a key combo and boom, Outlook web is open. Let's jump right in. You all know to open Outlook on the web, you need to enter the URL on the search bar. Now I will show you so you can very easily open this Outlook web using keyboard shortcut. So first I need to minimize it. Now here I'm on my desktop. Simply click on your mouse right button. Now here you need to select new and here is an option which is shortcut. Click on it. Type the location of this item. Here you need to simply type your URL of your Outlook. So here is my URL. Simply hit next. Now type the name of the shortcut. So I type Outlook web. Now hit finish. Now you will see your Outlook web is saved over here. Now what you need to do, again select this folder, click right mouse button once again, and here you need to click on properties. Now see, your URL is already added here. Now the shortcut key. So currently it's none. What you need to do is to press any alphabet. For instance, if I press A, you will see Control and Alt is already added in the keyboard shortcut. That means you don't need to press Control or Alt along with this A to assign the shortcut. You simply press a specific alphabet which you like. So I use Z. So my keyboard shortcut to open Outlook.com is Control Alt and Z. Now there is another option which is change icon. Although you can see this is your current icon which is assigned by the system itself. Now you can hit change icon and there are few options provided for you. So I select this one, hit OK. Now this icon is allotted for this keyboard shortcut. Hit apply and hit OK. Now when you double click on this, that will automatically open the Chrome or whatever Explorer you are using, and your Outlook.com will automatically open in just few seconds. Now I will show you the keyboard shortcut which is Control Alt Z. So simply again go to your desktop, hit Control Alt Z and your Outlook.com will open in seconds. So that way you can open your Outlook.com using keyboard shortcut or by double clicking on that folder. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.